Hello guys, I am Adarsh here. I am visiting from Chinchoti waterfall. This from Naigaon, Vasai East. Pin code is here 46 4012 108. Belongs to this Vasai East. I know very well. This is a tourist place and also being that's a very spiritual and peacefully place. I don't know what you say, public, but I am here feelings in a peacefully and natural wise in vibes, cheer birds and waterfalls, also being natural disasters and natural environment, being a environment and also being a natural dictionary and stationery also being a is something belongs to and I am enjoying with friends on waterfalls with cheers, beers and also cold drink also. These flames yes, I don't know what you say, but this place is water Chinchoti waterfalls. Is correct now. Thank you very much. I am also others here. Belongs to the Others on channel. Thank you very much.